Long before modern science, ancient civilizations created technologies that we still cannot explain. These inventions were precise, durable, and ahead of their time. Some structures were built with a precision that even modern machines cannot achieve. But the strangest thing is that no instructions for their creation have survived. One example is materials that have survived for millennia better than modern concrete. Another is metallurgy that required temperatures impossible for that era. The real mystery is how knowledge was passed on without modern tools. Some devices point to astronomical knowledge beyond simple observation. Others hint at lost methods of energy management. Modern scientists can study the result, but not the process itself. The most disturbing thought is that the knowledge was lost, not developed, and somewhere in history, human progress could have been restarted.